Him dead and no man.
Yes, so welcome back to the channel, my viewers and subscribers. From I see the thumbnail and the title, then I know so you already know what this video is all about. You understand me? So just please remember to like, share, drop a comment into the comment section, my viewers and subscribers. Don't be afraid to comment. Don't be afraid to be a part of the community. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? And to all my viewers, remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever any new content is uploaded. You understand? So to them viewers and subscribers, me there back with a hot topic, a double murder. We're going in Maxfield Avenue. Yeah, right now, me I tell you, say, the two videos them circulate the internet with my viewers and subscribers of the killing of two men on Lincoln Avenue, right near Maxfield Avenue, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know the war against Maxfield Avenue and Cockburn Pen, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, say it hot. You understand what I mean? And right now, viewers and subscribers, me I tell you, say, them two videos, them no normal, them gruesome viewers and subscribers. You see me? See, you know, say, the man them running on Maxfield Avenue, and this man where you see on the screen right now, viewers and subscribers, him goes by the name of Anif. Yeah, I him at the top shatter. You see me? I him them go for my viewers and subscribers. And I want to show you, say, them deal with them grimy viewers and subscribers. It bust out like jelly. And also him friend, who is a baller, who go by the name of Russian viewers and subscribers. Them man, yeah, a real baller, real talent. May I hear say the youth have viewers and subscribers. You understand? The man is just a party man, party vibes. I just film style that. You understand what I mean? Them money a gal is to me I hear the thing viewers and subscribers. And I want to show you say them deal with them grimy. I want to tell you say all him here you pluck out time head viewers and subscribers. To the crime scene groomy and grimy, my viewers and subscribers. It's come like it's a Freddy versus Jason thing this. You see me, I know enough I want to watch the show them. I want to show you say the man them head bust like when a young jelly drop off a tree. Or just to give you a frame of what go on, viewers and subscribers, because you don't know, I have the video but I can't post it because you don't know YouTube guideline go, so you don't know we can't put it over here so viewers and subscribers. But just to let you imagine, viewers and subscribers, you don't ever have an egg yet, eh? And when you don't have the egg, you know, and it's like the egg just suddenly drop and just mash out on the ground. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, that is a total thing. You understand? And when you come to bloom and take up the egg, viewers and subscribers, it's like the whole of the yolk, you know, the egg just a leak out. I saw the man them marrow and blood just a leak out of them head, viewers and subscribers. May I tell you, it's a grimy scene. At the first me I see them thing here in Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. You remember just like what year when the man videotape himself a kill the other man, and every man I say, yo, at the first them see a crime like this. Well, this I want at the same thing with viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? You don't know more time we say, Jano, we see a thing and we say, yo, that are the worst thing we can see in a 2021. And then bloom, there is something else that surpasses viewers and subscribers. You understand? So to all me I hear it is like them want this youth named Anif. You understand what I mean? Because them youth you know is a shatter in the street. You understand what I mean? Box up and beat up all heap of man viewers and subscribers, and you know, him do him thing and we kill people and beating viewers and subscribers. You don't know how the gangster thing going in Jamaica. You see it? And them go for this man viewers and subscribers, and I want to show you say him friend Joshian dead at the same time when the man them appear viewers and subscribers. And you know them Jamaican bad money I think. You don't know say them money come for you and somebody did it whether them a baller or you don't know say them man there at the end of the day nah look on character. You understand what I mean? A man just know say oh you're dead and you get the same thing. I want to tell you say them deal with the two man them grimy viewers and subscribers. You see me? But anyway, as me I tell you viewers and subscribers, me have the video. You see it? And yeah, if you don't want the video my viewers and subscribers, just run over to my Instagram. Yeah, the link will be provided down into the description. Yeah, Flavor _ media _ ent _ TV. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, and just DM me over there and tell me say, yo, Flavor Media. Yeah, you know more you send me the video with the two man them with the Maxfield Avenue. But I'm warning you also viewers and subscribers. Viewers discretion is advice, cause if you know you can't stomach them thing viewers and subscribers, it even makes sense to ask me for the video. You understand what I mean? Cause it gruesome. So as I say, just check me on Instagram and I will send you.
Gruesome videos have been making the rounds in social media of two murders which happened off of Maxfield Road. The graphic images displayed lawmen removing the bodies of two men who were riddled with bullets beyond recognition. The streets of Rousseau Crescent in Maxfield are still blood-stained, telltale signs of the gruesome double murder which happened on Tuesday afternoon. It has ultimately left the residents cowering in fear. The stench of blood and the business of flies are a constant reminder of the bloody murder to the few students who had to skip over the contaminated spaces to get home. The residents say, though they washed the road, the odor still affects them. The alleged killers did not take the vehicle of the deceased. Though police personnel were seen taking up the bodies, Constabulary's Communications Unit, CCU, was unaware of the deaths up to news time. Residents say they believe it.
I want to show you the viewers and subscribers, as I said before, the crime scene is grimy. It grew some viewers and subscribers. It's out of the imagination. I want to show you the viewers and subscribers as some sci-fi movie you see them thing, you know. You understand what I mean? Man head bust walk more wide. Man here drop out. I want to show you some man blood just a leak out like water, viewers and subscribers. Marrow a splash on the ground. You understand? It come like one time them money I come for them money, like them money I tell themselves, say, yo, watch out, we are going to deal with a crime scene, a crab it, you know. You see me? We are going to mash up them money, you know. You understand what I mean? And it come like this youth, yeah, when him Anif, it's come like, it's a serious man where them know, say, yo, watch out, you know. Once we go for that money, you know, we have to ensure same dead, you know, viewers and subscribers. It's come like a solid man, them a pre, you know, to all the man them deal with a crime scene, you know, grimy, you know. Viewers and subscribers, you understand what I mean? But you don't know at the end of the day, star, Russian who is the baller, you don't know. It just come like him get caught in a situation where, you know, a man is just at the wrong place at the wrong time. You know what I mean? And that's why you don't ever hear old people say, yo, choose your friends them wisely. You understand what I mean? You know the thing going at the ghetto. Yeah, you don't know, say, we know people. At the end of the day, you know, say, a man a bad man, you can't choose for a man. You understand what I mean? But at the end of the day, you know, say, oh, your friend to see him way. But you still have to take check and know, say, at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, you have to know, say, yo, you come first and you have to protect your own. So it's not like you got abandoned a man or you got abandoned a friend and say, all right, then watch out. You know, me I go cut off this man because he might do this and do that. But you have to just limit yourself. You understand what I mean? No, say, yo, you're not to hang out. You're not to go certain place because you don't know, you know, as we say, you know, you can't control what a man doing and a man choose his own destiny, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? But you have to know, say, you're watching certain things at certain point in time, you have to cut off. You understand? Because right now is a wicked situation that youth get caught up in. You understand what I mean? Russian, may I tell you, say, yo, at the end of the day, me I say, the whole of Maxfield a ball for him. You understand, viewers and subscribers, because me I say this youth here is a talented youth when it comes to football. Well popular in the street, well popular in the world of football. In a Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And it's just a pity. And you understand what I mean? Oh, I saw him end up viewers and subscribers. Me I tell you, so the man them deal with him grimy. A female you pluck out viewers and subscribers in head bust, literally bust as well, me say viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And I want to show you, say, right now, to tell you the truth, it's better a man just love badness alone. Because at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, you know say no pay. You understand what I mean? A 2 place alone it can put you. And God do help you if you end up at one of them, which is prison. You understand what I mean? And lucky. You would have lucky if you end up at prison, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, say, majority time you have to choose the road and know the road where you want. And choose it wisely, viewers and subscribers. Because you know, say, you choose a road of badness, viewers and subscribers. You know what the end is going to be. You know what going to happen. You understand what I mean? You know, say you do things. The world is a cycle, viewers and subscribers, and anything where you dish out, it will come back around to you. You understand what I mean? So you have to know what you are doing in life. So this badness thing when I see them youth take up nowadays, it didn't even make sense. You understand what I mean? Because at the end of the day, the pocket still broke. The pocket still maga, viewers and subscribers. A man still not rich, a man still not that. And even when you do get rich, is out tight. How long it will last? You understand what I mean? You're good and evil live for inherit it. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? So this is just a sad situation. You understand? But you don't know this killer name Anif. You don't know him done set film thing away already. And you don't know at the end of the day As what I say, when you put yourself on a certain road, you know what are going to be the consequences. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? But as what I'm saying, this is just a gruesome thing in the crime scene for all viewers and subscribers. I tell you, say, right now, as what I say, anybody want the video, if you know so you can't stomach certain things, it never makes sense when you ask me for the video, cause as what I'm telling you before, strong viewers discretion is advised when taking in the video, viewers and subscribers. And everybody, and any normal man or woman can stomach them things. You understand what I mean? And you don't know story, you don't know say it's just a sad situation still, but you don't know retaliation go go on, because you don't know say at the end of the day, and if I free him side a friend them too, and oh the ball a good left couple more man too, where I say oh Ray them can't do the ball of that. See, you understand, viewers and subscribers? So you don't know man and man got talk be a thing, but at the end of the day the bag of war thing and the bag of crime, it don't make sense. You understand what I mean? So anyway people, that's my intake on the whole situation. So please remember to like, share, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel.